one last thing that I'm going to do just to finish my formatting is I'm going to adjust the format of these numbers. Right now they're all basic numbers, but the reality is that all of these, the ticket price, the revenue, the expenses, and the profit, everything but the tickets sold are actually money, right? So I want to change the formatting of the number. And I can do that right here where it says number. Now I've got some quick shortcuts. This one is currency. The one looks like dollars and cents. If I click the arrow to the right of that, I've got different types of currency. Percentage is just to the right of that. The comma separator is to the right of that. And under above where it says general, I can click on that and I've got lots of other types of formatting. I can format it as a date, a time, scientific formatting, a bunch of different ways to do it. For this one though, I'm just going to select all these and I'm going to say that this is money. And you'll see that it automatically adds in the dollar signs and the decimals as I need to in order to look like money. Now one last thing with formatting numbers, these two buttons right here that have the 3 zeros and an arrow to the left, 3 zeros and an arrow to the right, those are the amount of decimal places. So if I select 9,000 here, for example, and I choose this one to the right, or sorry, to the left, you'll see that it adds a decimal, so you can choose how many decimal places are there. So for example, if I were to say 6 points, just add in some decimals there, and then select this, by clicking this one to the right, it would round it. So now that got rid of the 6, but changed the 2 to a 3. Got rid of the 3, kept the 1, and it's just reducing the decimals and rounding as it does, rounding the whole thing as a 7 if I go far enough. So those are the ways that I can format my numbers, both by what the number represents, whether it's money or a percentage or whatever, and by adjusting the decimal points.